What's up guys, this is the Chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I'm going to make Burger King's special stacker sauce, and this sauce is going to be super easy to make. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In this recipe, I am following the same method and the same ingredients that Burger King. So our Burger King stacker sauce is ready to enjoy, and that's all for today guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.